Good morning and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Now, in the background, I'm rendering the video for the RAW versus JPEG. Should I set my color temperature in the camera for RAW video, which is now actually being uploaded to YouTube straight after. And then we have the workshop Small Flash with our model Claudia. So what is the Small Flash workshop? Well, the Small Flash workshop is all about speed lights. Those little lights that you probably have in your closet, but most people never use because, well, you need big strobes, right? Well, today it's all about showing what you can do with those speed lights. And trust me, you can do a lot more with them than just giving a little bit of fill light. They're actually very versatile. And one of the accessories I'm going to use today, of course, is the Doorhof flashbender. I really love that device. It fits in your case very easily and, well, it has a soft silver layer. So that's great because it gives you a little bit more crisp in your images. So, well, waiting for the students in between uploading the video for YouTube, and you really should check that out because the weird thing is I get this question all the time. Should I put my camera on a color temperature or contrast and brightness or color space if I'm shooting RAW? And the answer, of course, guys, is no. It's just embedded in a metadata. Because I get that question so many times, I actually did a video about it in our digital classroom series. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors. Let's go. Okay guys, that was the workshop small flash, and of course you want to see the results, so here we go. I hope you like those results. And by the way, they were all shot with the Photix Mitros Plus. I really like that one because the receiver is actually inside the strobe. And of course, we use the Doorhof flashbender, but also the lightblaster. And the lightblaster is very, very interesting because you can put slides in it or gobo, so you can create patterns. Or, like in one of the examples, you actually saw a cityscape on the back. If you're into a more creative mood, the lightblaster is without a doubt one of the products you really should check out. Every time I demonstrate it during the workshop, people are over the moon and they go like, this is really amazing. So make sure you check it out. Okay, so this is actually the end for Behind the Closed Doors for today. But next week we have something special for you guys. Now next week, now you may not know, or you may, we also have another vlog, and that's called Electrifying the Doorhofs, because we recently switched from an ICE, that's an internal combustion engine, to an electric car, the Hyundai Ioniq. And a lot of people told me like, yeah, range and range anxiety. And well, I took up the challenge. We're gonna drive the car to Bordeaux next week in France to visit the castle of Bruce Smith. That's a photographer that actually also teaches workshops, because after the summer we're going to teach workshops in his castle during sort of an ultimate weekend. It's going to be really interesting, and of course we're going to film the whole trip. Trust me, after that trip I'm going to love my electric car, or I'm absolutely going to hate it. So make sure you check that out next week in Electrifying the Doorhofs. Okay, for now I'm signing off. I'm going to edit the vlog for you guys, upload it to YouTube with our super fast internet, and then have a nice weekend. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button. See you next time.